Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking and Concocting. This is basically a cooking show. Now, for our first thing, we'll be cooking or concocting. The Zap Spell from Clash of Clans. We're gonna add 1 1/3 cup milk to our pot. And then we're gonna boil this. We're gonna put it on low and medium until it gets to a light boil. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into our bottle. All episodes will also be posted on my Instagram, which is coincidentally linked. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Okay, it's okay. We're going to add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, into our milk, and we're going to give that a little whisk. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar into our milk. Important you don't let your milk boil. Oh, fuck, God. We're gonna pour our hot milk all over our glass. This is... We're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to our bottle. And we're gonna add a good amount of blue food dye. We're gonna cork it up and shake. Ah! And shake. Now that we're done shaking, we're gonna let that sit for a minute or two. Where do I put this pin? Oh! Alright, now that our Zap Spell is done, let's give it a rating. Ah! It's delicious. 8 out of 10.